Okay. Our first winner, I see.
Check.
Seat number A10. A10. A10.
Okay, ngayon po sa mga tatawagin namin, punta po kayo dito sa gitna para kunin ang prize ninyo.
Congratulations.
Up next, nanalo. I see. Rosie K24. K24. Ay,
Ay, ikaw kuya, nandito na pala si kuya, okay? Sino ang ating next lucky winner?
nonchalant naman ito. Up next,
I'm sure happy ang faves natin. Ay, swerte talaga si Ate KL. Siya ulit ang nabunot, ha? Wow! Pinagpala kasi! Nota! At dahil dyan, ayan, nakapicture na yung ating mga faves dito. Tara, balik na tayo sa stage. At tawagin ulit natin si Caprice. Tap-tap! Babalik na kami! Thank you! Wow! Again, congratulations po sa lahat ng nanalo sa raffle natin. Tawagin ulit natin si Caprice Cardano! Woo! Tap-tap! We're back! Tap-tap! Ayun! Ang ganda naman ng Caprice. Halika, forward tayo dito sa gitna. At syempre, itong fan na ito ay hindi magiging successful kung wala ang ating mga fans dito, ang faves.
Mamaya may hi-bye.
Kakatapos ng final episode ng You're My Favorite Song and pinaghandaan talaga namin itong fan meet na ito para sa inyo. So we can say goodbye to you one last time. And pero guys, some goodbyes are just a pause. So I don't think this is an end. I think magkikita-kita pa tayo. So abangan nyo na lang.
Ayun guys, maraming salamat po. And ayun, my members is done. Pero, ayun,
Clifford, may additional, sorry, may
And of
additional.
course, syempre, hindi namin mabubuo tong show na to without the team behind it. GMA Public Affairs, maraming salamat. Alam po natin sila. And of course, our management, Sparkle GMA Artist Center. Thank you so much.
At syempre,
yes, shoutout din sa walang hirit. Thank you.
oo nga, grabe. Miski Sabado, pumasok ang unang hirit team. Palakpakan po natin sila. Ang team na walang tulog.
Everyone,
Okay, Mark, ikaw naman. Sino gusto mo pasalamatan?
ayun, syempre guys, hindi naman ito mabubuo kung hindi dahil sa inyo. And of course, gusto ko rin pasalamatan ang napaka-energetic namin na si Miss Shira. Thank you so much. Thank you. And ayun guys, hindi naman dito natatapos sa lahat. Hindi naman ito 1, 2, 3, go kanya-kanya na. So magkikita pa rin tayo. And kayo guys, forever na kayo nasa puso namin. At syempre, ang isa pang nasa puso din namin ay yung mga sponsors na hindi sponsors.
Maraming salamat sa inyo, faves, sa lahat mo ng solids and ships, yung nandito, solids na! Yan! Capco, and Cappy! Thank you so much! Siyempre, gusto rin po namin mag-thank you sa lahat ng bumubuo ng You're My Favorite Song. Thank you so much, Direk JB. Thank you!
Thank you everyone. At maraming salamat din po kay Ma'am Tessa. Maraming salamat po. Thank you so much. Ma'am Tessa, maraming thank you. And thank you rin po kay Ma'am Arlene po sa pag-sponsor sa amin sa lahat. Thank you so much. And ganap upcoming, ganap si Heat, diba? Woo! Diba meron siya upcoming ha? Guys, September 5 po,
Every sound's a symphony. I'll keep learning how to breathe till you near me.
Go on.
'Cause baby, you are my favorite song. I'll put you on repeat all night. I know that I'll never move on. 'Cause baby, you are my favorite song. You're my first hello to love, my first ride where I belong. You are my first heartbeat song.
Nasa kayo,
Never
babe!
Let's go, guys! Let's go!
Rabiel, Charm, Foxy,
Never knew a name could be a melody that follows me.
Every glance a brand new page, every blush a painted sky. It's the first sun in my life. I felt my heart could fly.
You are my favorite song. I'll put you on repeat all night. I know that I'll never move on. 'Cause baby, you are my favorite song. You're my first hello to love. You're my first ride where I belong. You are my first heartbeat song. My favorite song. Put you on repeat all night. I know that I'll never move on. 'Cause baby, you are my favorite song. You're my first hello to love, my first ride where I belong. You are my first heartbeat song.